Hello, this is Reggie with A-Team Appliance, and we're coming at you with a simple lid switch repair. But I'm going to show you there's different ways. So you can actually save the lid switch without bypassing, which is dangerous, and without buying a new lid switch. And let me show you how. So basically, when this lid comes down, this little toggle here goes into this little flapper, and kind of especially when you slam that lid down, that thing's all plastic in there. I'll show you. So it's clearly broken because you can kind of see it, just moving freely. Kind of pull it out. Sometimes there's like a little clip in there, so you can kind of yank on it a little bit. See how it's open like a clamshell? So, the way of fixing it. So if it's open like a clamshell, then this repair will work for you. If this thing is completely just broke off, then you're gonna have to replace it. So take a zip tie, put it through here, and make sure the head part is kind of like underneath, so it'll be flush when you put it back on. Zip tie. So yeah, see, and you notice this whole thing is plastic. I probably gotta cut that off. Hang on. Alright, so you hear it clicking, it's ready to go. Only thing is, also sometimes this is where the screws go in from here. Let me make sure you can see me. So this is where the screws go in from here, and sometimes these will be broke off, and if that's the case, you have to replace the lid switch. Just put it back. You want to put the screws in by hand initially to make sure you don't cross thread. This thing is fighting me. There we go. There we go. Bada bing, bada boom. Let's see if it works. Let's see if it works. Of course it does. Hear it clicking. So I'll let me plug it back in, of course, because it was unplugged, as you should do with everything you work on. So always put it on spin. You don't gotta run the water, because with the broken lid switch, it'll fill with water. Oh, this got a broken coupler. So it'll fill with water, and but won't spin. So now this is my first time actually turning this on, so I noticed this thing was already broken. So that sound, this is another video, is a broken coupler here. So I do have videos on how to fix a coupler. So I just wanted to just show a quick video on how to fix what I call is the open clam lid switch. And I just close it with a zip tie. So I guess it does have some expense. It was like $4 for a pack of those things. So there you go. Any questions? Feel free to comment below. This is Reggie with A Team Appliance.